Nandito ako ngayon sa First Park Homes Calamba to feature you our Calista End. Our Calista End has a minimum lot area of 60.5 square meter and a floor area of 40 square meter. Tara, pasok tayo. Here at First Park Homes, we offer Calista End and Calista Mid Unit, which are both affordable with fence and gate pa. And of course, you have your own parking area, and if you avail our Calista End unit, meron din kayong extra space sa side that you can use as your garden or extension for your future renovation. Upon entering our unit, meron kayong space for your dining, living, and kitchen area. And in this side is your toilet and bath. Meron din kayong access door here papunta sa inyong garden.